Ready to master your money? Start with these basics. Personal finance might sound intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Mastering a few basics can set you up for financial success. Let's break it down into simple steps. Welcome to the Millennial Financial Times, your go-to source for practical financial tips and strategies. 1. The foundation of personal finance is budgeting. Track your income and expenses, and make sure you're living within your means. Budgeting helps you take control of your money instead of wondering where it all went. 2. Next up, saving and investing. Start by building an emergency fund, then invest in your future. Whether it's a 401k, IRA, or stocks, investing helps your money grow over time. The earlier you start, the better. 3. Finally, manage your debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first, like credit cards, to free up more money for saving and investing. Stay on top of your debt, and you'll be on your way to financial independence. Thanks for watching. Check out millennialfinancialtimes.com for answers to all your pressing financial questions.